Now the combination that I have now, you'll notice it loses signal from time to time. You see no signal pop up on there. Right now, this is a combination between Spiricom and white noise generated randomly from 0 megahertz to just below 3 megahertz, 2.99 megahertz. And that is both of them are being put into a video signal. That is strictly Spiricom. Now, the next one I'm going to show you, I'm going to pause it again. Now, right now, there's also a video signal being fed into that from the room behind me. Alright, and that's another way that it can be done. You could set it up in a blank room and put those signals together with the Spiricom, including a video signal in. Now, I'm going to pause it again so I can make an adjustment. Now you're going to see a completely different one, because if you'll notice, the camera is facing directly into it. So this is a white noise loop. It is continuously looping. So we have the Spiricom running randomly. Okay, the 13 frequencies of the Spiricom. We also have the white noise, which can be turned on or off. Right now the white noise is off, and we're looping that in a continuous loop, which means that signal is just being amplified and amplified and amplified each time it's looped. So there's several different ways that this can be experimented with. That the end user can experiment with this particular device. What you're seeing laying there is the Spiricom. The little red and green lights is the Spiricom itself. Okay, this is several minutes of just giving you a little preview of what is going on with with my combination between the Paraview and the Spiricom, and also white noise. But white noise is part of my Paraview system anyway. So, all right, thank you for watching.